I think everything is good. Hello, Frax from, is this YouTube? Yeah, I think this is YouTube. And how you doing, Adit? I hope I pronounced that right. Yo, what's up, Yanni? How you doing, Steve? Still trying to get stream stuff set up, so just give me a moment, bear with me. It's early morning for me. I just got through walking my dog Roscoe, and I was like, let me do some streaming before my mom and my niece come over. So I have about maybe 3, maybe 4 hours to play around with some stuff. Let me switch over to my main camera. All right. Get my lights. All right, and let's go over to my screen. All right. So, yeah, Yanni said the music sounded good, or the sound sounded good. So, if anything happens, please let me know. I will try to monitor my audio myself, but you know that's probably gonna fail when I start working. All right, so here's where I left off yesterday, and I mean like literally, I haven't done any, I haven't actually used my computer since. So we left off here where we have yttgen, and some of the things that I was thinking about last night is I don't want my authentication to be here because I want to drop basically I want to allow people to subscribe to some type of push notifications from here. So like this should be more of an informational page. So I'm going to move the login to another route, maybe something like auth or admin or I don't know, something. And I'm going to keep it as what it is now, like OAuth, but eventually I'm going to create a admin table or group or something or role and add myself to it so I can do stuff. Anyways, so let's see what this does. It's nothing, but oh shit, it doesn't work. Of course not. Why would it do that? So first step is figure out why that no longer works. It's being redirected to, yeah, let's look at this redirect right quick. It's not gonna do anything. Here we are. Wait, is that this? Yeah, it's this. Okay. Suppose I don't want this anymore. Or I have a suspicion. It could be doing it in order, like in the order that, insert order. Let's check. Save changes. All right, let's add localhost to here. Oh, well, before I do that, I'm not sure what that was about. All audio dropped out. it's gonna be one of those. Everything was so smooth. I was thinking things were just gonna work. Turn on my desk light. It's still trying to go to localhost. So I had to figure out why. Like, why is it trying to go there? And why was this working yesterday? Or was it not working? It could also be that. It could also have not been working. Checking these environment variables to see if there is any chance it's being controlled here. Locky, I'm not being able to set up OneSignal in my PWA React application. So setting up OneSignal is, it shouldn't matter if you have a PWA. That part is irrelevant. Now on the React side, things, are you using the React? What do you call that thing? A React package. I think that's a good word for it. Well, if you stick around long enough, I'll eventually get around to that. Obviously, I have another issue, which is I can't even like log in anymore. I swear this worked yesterday. Like, I swear it was working yesterday. All right, let's go over to Supabase and see what that's like rerouting to. Oh, damn it. Rack says coding seems so difficult. It's not that difficult. It's like, it's the same as writing, right? Communication. So if you think coding is difficult, it's because communication is difficult for you and for others. But yeah, if you're good at writing and all that, then writing code is not that much different. All right, maybe project settings. Auth. Where am I being redirected to? Does it even say? Does it? URL configuration? Ah, here we are. This is it. So we'll go to yttgen. What's the name of this site? Forgot the name of this. Oh, it's code. Wait, no, it's code and color. Tripping. And I suppose I should put HTTPS in front of this. All right, so I'm gonna add my other URL. Oops, domains. We'll take this one. Now this means that I will no longer be able to log in from my local host. So I'm gonna re-add that. Yeah, I suppose I'll put the scheme on here too. Did that save? I guess it did. All right. Let's walk this back. There we are. It takes me to here. But now I'm getting a server error. So let's see what that's about. Unable to exchange external code. Okay. How about I just do this again? Oh, shit. Okay. More errors. All right. I think we're gonna have fun today. Mic keeps dropping out. I haven't even been streaming for 16 minutes and my mic is already going out. So it's unable to exchange this code. I'm assuming this is coming from Supabase. I wonder if there are logs here. No. Maybe here. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe. Okay. I'm gonna reset the secret again. Except I'm not gonna do it on screen. What's up? What? All right, there we go. We're good. Save these changes. All right, cool. So come to my environment variables here and I need to update the Discord secret. And I'm only doing this because I don't know if I have the right secret in here. All right, so just updated the secret. And I want to redeploy. I suppose you come here and do that, maybe? Redeploy. By the way, I don't know if what I'm doing is going to work or not. Just trying. All right, looks like we're good. gonna bookmark this so I never have to do this again. It's too much effort. Still. Also, one thing that I want to, I don't know why this isn't the case, but I would have expected some type of error page. I thought that Superbase would do that, but maybe not. Maybe I had to read the docs. Redirect. Oh, why did this get reordered? So we get the started, and then I get the error here, and then, all right, I guess this is the correct order. Before it must have been wrong. Oh, show me like what's going on. Is it just not gonna work? Oh, this is interesting. Let's just refresh the whole page. Look, it's reordered again. So I wasn't being crazy. I can't see the error. I'm like, okay, can I copy? Is there text in here? It's just, no, there's nothing in there. All right, this is gonna make my life very hard. Debugging without having access to anything is very difficult. Okay, so they're saying to like make sure that I don't know what I'm saying. Let me just make sure that I persist these logs, and I'll try to explain what I'm doing after I've done it. Maybe. Where's the console? Here we are. There is a way to persist log. Oh yeah, here it is. Persist logs. Okay. All right, so we're gonna also come here. Can we persist? Yeah. So we're gonna reload. Just make it full screen. Make it just a little bit bigger. As well as this bottom part. I actually like this. With Firefox, you can control the size of the content independently. from developer tools. It's kind of cool. All right, so we'll sign in. All right. Yeah, I got it. Can we order this? Or actually, we don't have to. All right, so we're going to our provider here. So this is going out to Supabase, and it looks like Supabase redirects. What is it? No. Oh, well, this is just a request. I'm tripping. Wait, no, it's not just a request. What did I do? Why did I just do that? All right, so we get the Discord authorization page. That's what all this stuff is. Let's inspect this. All right, let's inspect this. Refer, okay. All right, so we'll authorize. All right, and we're throwing this. All right, let me just copy all this content. Wait, why didn't? Yeah, whatever. I'll just copy it. Wonder if this is the same state we were just looking at. Honestly, I would expect it to be, but let's verify. Yeah, it's the same. It's the same state. All right, then I get a redirect. And then it comes back with the error. Oh, wait, this is actually really interesting. I don't see anything here. I think there should be stuff here. Let's build this locally. All right, I wonder if this may be hard coded somewhere, maybe. No, don't do that, please. Okay. All right, yeah, I was just coming here to make sure that I'm in fact doing the thing, and I am. So, not really sure why this doesn't work. Oh wait, additional redirect, but this is, I think this is local though, I think. It's actually unclear to me, how do I make sure that my local environment matches the remote environment for Supabase? So I'm not sure if this is relevant here. My assumption is that it's not. You know, assumptions, they sometimes lead to bad places. Also, this is only being used by TRPC, so that can go away. That's irrelevant. Don't care about that. So the login function, that may have something useful. Let's see, login, sign in. Yeah, with auth. So maybe there's an option. Yeah, look at that, options. Redirect to. I wonder what this gets set to by default. Is it in production? In production, then we're gonna redirect to this. Otherwise, we'll just go to localhost. Or even better, let's go back to that place I was just at. Wait, where was I? Where was it? It's just there. It's the API, I think, here. TRPC. I'll just look for it. Get URL base URL. Oh, it's literally right here. I'll export this. Oh, I forgot that I was supposed to work on module aliases. Let me open up my notes. Literally just forgot what I said I was going to do. Module aliases. I remember now. Where is that? So we'll see if, we'll see if this works here. Yeah, so here we are. Oh, wait. It's not gonna work here. I wonder if I can do a wildcard match. Look at that. Yes, I can. Look at that. All right, so before I do anything, let me add that to the thing. They give me two ways. I can do a commit SHA or the branch, the ref name. Why did it let me add this? It let me add that. I'm gonna remove it though. And I'll re-add it. Still, okay. So all that, not the problem. You say you got some big projects. I hope you're working on them. I'm pretty sure if you work, 12, 15 hours a day, you can get it done. I still can't see the stuff. This is debugging blind is the worst. I'm gonna just copy this just in case I can't get back to it again. Oh wait, invalid client. A lot of people reporting getting spaces when they copy pasted. Oh gosh. I need to be mindful that there could be a white space that was copied. I can't show this, it's private. So I think because I haven't been able to log in, none of the other state in my app is being set. All right. So instead of trying to get this part done, let's migrate this form. That was one of the primary things I needed to do. Let's at least get that done. Yeah, so I've already installed it, so we're good there. Oh, why did I do that? I'm gonna pull over this render count just to make sure that I'm not doing any silly renders. I may not even need this this hook, but again, I'm just trying to have the same behavior, and then I can figure out what I really need. Wonder how do I get the type from trpc? Oh wow, it's just ignoring the space that I'm putting in there. That's interesting. I don't think this is right though. I'll just get rid of the type. I'd be lying if I said I understood why I had to put void here, because I'm not calling this function. But maybe it's just that I had to throw away the fact that this has an async in it. Hey Siri, turn off the alarm. Oh, this is also wrong. This is also wrong. I don't want this anymore. So this is where I'm going to... Wait, why is... Oh, okay, it's just saying it's never read. Okay. Generate title. And I think I can put description in there. Wait a minute. I think I want to call it refetch. That's what I want to do. I already have this set up. So where is it at? I have register, completion. Yeah, refetch gen title. That's what I want to do. How do I give it data? Maybe I can't do this use query thing. All right, let's figure out how to pass data. Yo, how you doing, Leonard? Hold on to me. I'm working on a random project that's used as an excuse to generate content. It's just a YouTube title generator. I'm working with Next, Prisma, Supabase. I'm sure there are other things. Oh, OpenAI. Yeah. At the moment, I'm blocked. I am unable to log in on production. And now I'm trying to figure out how to call refetch, but pass data to it. I wonder if what I'm doing is technically a mutation. Could that be it? For full context, I have not read the docs. Not right now. No. Typically, whenever I do build these things, the project is open source. In this context, I wanted to wait until I got something somewhat working, right? So I just started this not that long ago. And this is maybe my third or fourth day working on it, even though I started this over 2.5, 3 weeks ago. So I have a sneaking suspicion that I shouldn't be using a query here. Or maybe I can do this use query thing. I also need to get rid of this success BS. I don't need it anymore. It's starting to interfere with things. I'm gonna remove that now. That's starting to annoy me. Where is it though? Here. I do this, it makes dealing with things easier. So I'm gonna do that. Now why is it tripping? Oh, shit. Could just rethrow the error and kick it, but I'm not. I'll return undefined, it's fine. So what I'll do is I'll check to see if there's data, and if there is, we'll do that. I no longer need that. Now I only have data. Why is this upset now? Oh, look at that. Makes my life easier. I can get rid of this void. Wait, why can't I get rid of that void? Alright, I don't know. Alright. Completion. Wait, what did I just set? I set completion here. What's not clear to me is where's data coming from? Oh, it's this. Definitely don't want that. Or maybe I do want that. I don't know. I'm gonna read out of completion though. Oh, does it mean I no longer need this? Hopefully. I'll remove that for now, but I would like to be able to hook into that. I think I'm doing this wrong, but no, I don't really know what else to do right now. We'll delete this button. I don't think I need it anymore, but I do want to take, wait a minute. Oh wait, I don't even need this anymore. I can delete the on click. We're good. All right, let's see what happens. And I want to open that here. Not sure why it looks this way. That should be enough characters. Hopefully. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Look at, all right, so I'm re-rendering every keystroke. I don't think I want that. Oh, also, damn it. The page refreshed. Where's my handle submit? No, that's... Should get back an event somewhere. Wait a minute, what? So on invalid, don't care. All right, what if I just don't make it a submit button? How about that? But then this is gonna fail, but I don't care. I don't care. I just need this to work. Let's make this a button and this. Actually, I don't know if this is gonna give me the event regardless. I just need the event. I don't know how to get this event out. Let's see what happens if I call handle submit like this. Because it's saying that it's a function that returns a function that takes an event. Why is this? What the hell is going on? Oh, okay, never mind. I see what's going on. Okay. And I didn't, oh man. Do I have just some text that I can throw in here? No. Still, oh, okay. It's still refreshing. All right. I don't know why that's doing that. I thought that prevent default would be enough. But let's see if this event is even there. I could be just over here thinking that I'm getting something and I'm not. Let's log it out. Generate title. Wait a minute, what? Move this here, move that there. It's refreshing. And it's something that I don't expect to happen. I don't think I need this anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and close it. So my little log isn't working. It's not doing what I expected. I also seem to be missing something. Let's just see this right here. I don't see this anywhere. My render count. Oh, okay. I forgot my text color. All right. Is it text white? Yeah, all right. This is just for my debugging purposes. So notice how whenever notice that whenever I type this, it's not re-rendering. That's why. And it knows how many times it's rendered, which is good. It's 2 because I'm in strict mode for React, which causes a double render on purpose. Now that still doesn't get into why this button ain't working. So what I'm gonna do here is throw an error. Or to just throw error. I think it's new error. Yeah, it's not happy with that. It doesn't want that. All right, let's go look at some docs. Is it React hook form? See, if I would have just looked at the docs, I would have saw right away that there is an event. Turns a promise of void. There's also an overload. Okay, so it's either this or that, or error object. All right, I'm gonna do something just to make my life just a little bit easier for this debugging. So I'm gonna pull out this right here, and I'm gonna call it like on generate title clicked. Is it gen title? Generate. We'll get an event. What kind of event is it? That. Oh, I also need the data. That part. I'll call this the description, actually. We'll be clear. I wonder if I need to do that. Can I just do that? Yeah. All right, cool. I don't know if I'm not going to really use anything on it. I just need this function. All right, what did I just copy? That. Okay, so then I need to call that, and I'll just pass it. Okay, I don't think I need to set initial props. Maybe I can't give it data. So maybe I had to do this and then pass in the stuff that I want. I don't understand this type. Maybe I can't pull it out. I don't know if it's worth the effort right now. Now this behavior didn't exist on the previous site. This is what makes this difficult, is that on the other site this works. It looks like I have some, I need to check LinkedIn. Give me a moment. I need to see if there are any comments. I forgot that LinkedIn doesn't show anything. I don't know if anyone's watching. I don't get comments. I think it's a bug in the software that I'm using. I think this is it. All right, yeah, no one's here. All right, I'm gonna take a break. I'll be back. Thank you, Yanni, for thank you. Yeah, so I had a thought. I'm adding these trailing slashes because I was like, I know that some servers, whenever they make a request, that's there. So I'm wondering if they're doing like a hard string match and looking for an exact match. It's my assumption right now. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just gonna try it, see what happens. It works with localhost though, which is the part that's confusing. So maybe this is a waste of time. Yeah, it worked with localhost and I didn't have that there. So, fuck. Oh, that should be a bug. Why can't I do that? Alright. Had to try it. Didn't work. Let's put a slash here too. Let's make sure that that doesn't also play a role. Nope. Alright. It's worth a shot. What? Oh, whoa. Okay, so I wonder if the server restarts whenever you do that. So maybe I need to give it a few seconds. All right, that's enough seconds. Let's try it again. Maybe that has something to do with it. Once you authorize, you'll be redirected outside Discord to whatever that is. Okay, just right. It's not going to the right place. Let's look at this again. Where it says you're redirected to this. Why doesn't it include the other bits? It should include that whole callback, this auth v1, whatever. Redirect. Otis. Callback. Yeah, it's right. See, this is what I was at right here. That slash. I should have it, but I don't trust I don't know. I don't know what's going on. So I'm gonna come here and just paste that there. Is that the same? Is there a difference? There's no difference. Okay. I wonder if I had to add, man, if this is true, if this is what fixes it, I'm not gonna know what to do myself. Oscar. No, it didn't work. Okay, all right. I would have been upset. It's like, it would have been like, that should make it work. All right, so I don't know what's going on anymore. I'm gonna just move on back to what I was doing, which is failing at this part right here, trying to get this to not refresh. Apparently prevent default isn't going to do that, so maybe someone has another way of doing that. Oh, it's a submit handler. Let's try that. I wonder how these two are different. Is this not a type submit handler of string? Is that not what this thing is? I'm setting this to description for now, just because I don't know what else to put in it. Oops. Still refreshing. What happens if I just get rid of this? Does it submit? Does it take? React form event handler. All right, so here's what I'm gonna try. It's experimentation at this point. Okay, all right. So what I'm gonna do is define a function that takes in an event, call it any. And all it's gonna do is, on that event, prevent default. Don't tell me what the fuck to do. You do what I want. I really don't care about any of these errors. I want to just fall back into the JavaScript context right now. TypeScript is starting to get in my way. Look at that. Okay, see? It works. Well, I mean, you can't tell that it's working, but it works. Here, we'll make it. Oh, whoa. Okay. So notice what happens when I click. Actually, I'll put this in there, and then when I click generate, okay, now it doesn't work anymore. Okay. I want to make sure that the button is actually clicking. Oh. It's just not working. So here's why I want to be able to do this from a submit. The state in this form isn't managed, and I don't want it to be managed. So what I'm doing is when this button is clicked, I'm taking the contents out of this form and then doing something with it. If I use this as a button instead, then I would have to have access to that state somehow. Do you have a desire to want to create something? I suppose. Yeah, I guess so. Except I don't know, desire is stupid to me. I just do things. So it's like, whatever I'm doing, obviously I want to do it. Otherwise I wouldn't do it. Gonna keep that around for now, but this time I'm doing inside of the handle submit. Maybe that'll help. So I'm gonna get back data, right? Well, we'll destructure it. We'll get back the description and then an event. And inside of here, maybe I can prevent default and write something. Also, prevent default, I think that returns undefined, so this log will never run. That may be why it wasn't writing. So we'll not do it that way. Do a multi-statement. I really hate what this is doing, this TypeScript crap, where it highlights the whole block as being incorrect because one piece of it is, it's not a good experience. Yeah, I'll just dump it here. Well, it's definitely refreshing. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Maybe I could do that. All right. So I'm going to call that get values thing. See what that does. So we no longer are going to have that. What I'll instead do is, I've already, shit, dang it. I don't even have the thing that I need to be here anymore. All right, so we're getting the stuff here. We're good. All right, so now that I have the stuff, I need to go into my TRPC thing. YouTube. Generate title. Use query. Description. Do I even need to do that? Yeah, I suppose I do. Okay. So then we'll do on success. Oh wait, that way, on success. We are guaranteed to get back data, which could be undefined right now, but it's whatever. So what I'll do is if it's not undefined, or if it's not undefined, then I want to call set completion and pass in whatever's there. All right. This may not need to be a promise. All right, let's see what happens. Well, this is better. Okay, something's happening. So this is a hook. Oh, that's interesting. All right. Wonder if refetch, like if I were to call refetch, what would that do? Does it give me a way to pass in data? Query key? All right, so now I need to figure out some way to use this as a hook, but also call it. And this is why I'm thinking a query is the wrong thing. Maybe this should be a mutation. Do I have an example of a mutation? No, I don't. Mutation. Technically, it will be. It is going to change state in the future, just not now. All right, so this is no longer use query. This is going to be use mutation. Get rid of all that because I'm not really sure what the interface for this is like. Data. Variables string. Oh, okay. So we'll put in the description. No options. Yeah, let's see what happens. right. Back there, code to small. Oh, okay, it's working. Except I'm not giving a good error message in the UI. We should fix that at some point in life. Generate title. Look at that. Learn JavaScript now, master. Okay. So I don't like how this is organized. So we have inside of the form, I want this to be flex. And we'll do flex call. And there we are. And let's do a gap of 4. All right. So we're getting video titles now. So the form's working. Of course, I'll need to go and like make it a little bit more robust, but this is a good start. I'm curious, for those of you who are watching, any questions? Done that. Let's create some module aliases. I need to feel like I've gotten a win. It's just been pain the whole time. So really don't want that. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of that, which is gonna break something, I'm sure. So yarn build. Here we are. I only did that just so that I can see wherever it fell. I call it developing by breaking shit, because I don't actually know where stuff is most of the time. Server. Okay, so let's create a thing for server. Oh, we do have one. What the hell? So this should just be at server. All right, we're good there. Let's see if there are any more. Yep. With TRPC, what is this? I don't know if I care about that. Oh, wait, no, maybe I do care about that. I don't have a choice. Is it API or TRPC? Why is that file there anyway? This should be in. All right, I'm gonna change these things another time, but I need to get this organized because I would typically expect this to be in my config file. Right now, it's not. So I'm not gonna fix that now, but I will eventually. Why is this tripping? All right, I don't trust that. Let's restart the server. It didn't restart the server. Also, that should be server. All right. Let's see if there's anywhere else. No, it's only here. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, it's only here. Don't need this. Okay, so I have common, I have server. What else do I need? I won't have one for pages. I'll probably have one for components eventually, but not now. Utils, don't even need this folder anymore. Excuse me. Let's make sure everything builds. Where's this error at? Can't resolve styles. Pages, back, source, styles. Is that in source? Yeah. All right, looks like building is successful. All right. Oh, just add module aliases. All right, maybe I can go ahead and get this done. Oh, maybe it's already done. Oh, I've already done this. Wow, okay, sure. I no longer need example. I can delete that. So I need to hook this up to the database. Oh. Okay. Oh, wait. No, never mind. All right. When I was doing that testing yesterday, apparently it saved this. There we are. Cool. So let's connect to yttgen. Yep. And I think I want to go to auth table. Let's first connect to the database. How about that? Get rid of this. All right, so I have this one user here, and what I want to do is have Prisma generate my profile table. This thing right here. And I'm also going to have to go to Supabase and add in a, I don't know, I forget what it's called. Let me see if I can find it. The thing, what it's called. Here we are. So we have triggers and we also have functions. I think the thing that I want is a trigger, right? So we can tell it the table that we wanted to look at. So in this case, it'll be the users table. Anytime we insert something, as well as delete, right? But in this case, I'm just going to tag it only for insert, and then I'll create another one for delete. And what I want is to trigger after the event happens. I want it to happen once per statement, and then I can tell it what I want it to do. But I'm going to take a quick break. I will do that when I get back. of this pain. All right, so let me remind myself. I think I was trying to get my database set up. So I need to update my database URL to point to Superbase. And I have that URL somewhere. Sure. Cool. I gotta move this. I can't show it. The actual database URL doesn't matter. That's not what I'm referring to. It's just that I have a environment file. All right, put that in there. What's going on with this? Why is it tripping? Okay, it's trying to make a connection and I stopped the app. Alright, do I have any Prisma stuff in here? Probably not. Let's go to another project of mine. What's the name of that file? What am I doing? Package, yeah. He's right here. So I have a lot of stuff to help myself. I'm gonna copy them all. The fuck? Interesting. Why did... Okay, whatever. I don't care. I'll just deal with it. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's definitely not do that. We can do it here. Environment variable not found. Okay, maybe I need one for Prisma here. I'm gonna delete that. Unless I can, yeah, never mind. I think I need to just create. Just realized that my audio was off. So if you missed whatever I was saying, I don't know what I was saying. Doesn't matter now. All right, I gotta add this over here. I remember this as being one of the confusions that I had initially, is that Prisma doesn't use, or it wouldn't use, my environment file in my entire project because it's .m.local, and I think it wants it to be .env. I would prefer if it could be what I wanted, and I can just tell it. And I'm sure that this is possible now. I haven't used Prisma in almost a year, but when I first started using it, I don't think you could do it. For what it's worth, this is over 2 years ago when I first used Prisma. User was denied access on the database Postgres public. Okay, do I need to give it a name? So we'll say Postgres add that, and then yeah. So I'm gonna look at another environment file that I have on another screen. So we'll go into Prisma and see what I did there. Yeah, so it's Postgres : and then the thing. Here's my issue with this. I don't want to put my database password here. But that's why I was tripping. What I'm going to do, just to get out of this, is just get my password for that database. I can always change it. All right, put it back over here, see how we're doing. Authentication failed. Postgres are not valid. That has to be false. It's the same password that I just logged in with. I wonder if I had to put the name of the database. Or the port. I am going to put the port just because. I really wish multi-window support were not trash in Visual Studio Code. I think it's a holdover from this being basically Chrome. But I would like to have, like on Windows, how I could take one of these things and just move it to another screen. I don't think I can do that. Yeah, you can only move it within an app, which is kind of a crappy experience. I guess this is nice for people who don't remember what the good old days used to be. All right, man, Yanni, have a good rest of the day. if I open up this database, there should be inside of the public schema, there should be a profile table, and there is here. All right, so that's one piece. Other piece is, now that I don't have local development, I need to figure out a way to make sure that I can push changes up to this database without having to delete everything. So basically that means migrations. I had to get migrations set up correctly. But then there's also super-based stuff, which is confusing to me, but maybe I'll learn that. But so far, we can call this integrated, I think. And just to verify, it's out of here. I should have access to Prisma. Or is it passed in via context somehow? Or as context? I can just grab Prisma like so. All right, that's good to know. Why does not autocomplete not work? How do you add? Is it insert? Forgot how you do it. Is it create? Yes, create. Oops. ID. I don't think I need to give it an ID. I hope. User ID. All right, I have no constraints right now, so this could be anything. And I suppose I do need to do this, so I'll give it 1 for now. Alright, so we're gonna call this test Prisma thing. I'm gonna do it on this generate title thing here as well. So we'll just come into here, and I need to create the mutation first. So this right here is going to be called generate title. And we'll create another one, Prisma test. think it's under YouTube for now. Test Prisma. I don't need to do anything. Use mutation. All right. So here I should be able to do Prisma test dot mutate like so. Now, if this works, we should get data here. And let's start the app. Okay, we're getting there. Okay. Prisma, more than likely. Okay. All right. This is, oh my God. We're back at that confusion again. So Prisma has two environment files that it cares about. It has one for when you're managing your Prisma stuff, like using Prisma commands locally. But then there's also the other one, which gets used by the Prisma client. That's the confusion. So there's one for Prisma under development, and then there's also one for Prisma, whatever, I don't know, I just forgot where I was going with that. Let me fix the thing. That's what needs to happen first. So we'll copy this. To my local environment here, which you can't see. That's okay. You don't need to see it. All right, let's stop this. Oh man. Is it just gonna ignore me? TypeScript. yttgen. Well, perhaps, maybe that'll be a smarter thing to search for. Search for yttgen. Okay. I'm not sure which one. Is it this one? Yeah, let's kill it. Network error. Okay, I don't know if that one matters to me, but it looks like we're good. All right, so we get the insertion and then we get back my completion. All right, so let's verify that this is in fact here. Yep, one test, we're good. So this was just to make sure that it's wired up, but there's more to be done. Oh shit. I'm not sure how long I've been talking with my screen not showing what I'm doing. Apologies. Oh, it must have only been a couple minutes, so apologies on that one. But if you didn't see what happened, it worked. That's all that matters. It worked. So let me cross one of these things off. Oh, I've already done that. Okay. Well done. So for this, I don't want to save this. This was just the test. So we'll discard that change. Same here. all of this is just a test. I don't want that, so we'll discard that. Oops. Uh-oh. It's failing. Why is it failing? Oh. Okay. Let me push that commit up. I didn't mean to do that. How is it not here? I literally just closed it. How is it not in my history? Still nothing. All right. I am gonna give up for now. I've done all the other things. We have Prisma integrated. We got all of functionality ported. By functionality, this time I'm talking about like the form, the UI. I created my module aliases, and then I fixed some other random crap. So I think that the authentication issue, I think that's more of a configuration problem. I don't think it's what I'm doing in my code. But hopefully I'll figure it out. I don't plan to work on this much at all when I'm not streaming, so chances are you'll get to see all the things. All right, well, I am about to head out. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If so, please give it a like, consider following, subscribing, and yeah.